In this tutorial, we will add color to our sketch. First, we will add color to our closed shapes, and then we will add color to our open lines. For our closed shapes, adding color is really easy because it's simply applying a fill. I made a simple swatch palette in the bottom right-hand corner, so I have easy access to the colors I need. I got those colors from the screenshot of Simba. If you want to see in detail how to make a swatch palette like this, check out the linked video. Here it's pretty simple for our closed shapes. I simply select the shape I want to color in, and then select the color I want it to be. For Simba's pupil and the highlight of his eye, I selected the colors directly from the Color Studio. To do the rest of the colors of Simba's eye, I will reference the screenshot and make sure I have the order correct. And then I'm going to use the swatches and the color picker tool to apply the correct colors. To do this, I select the shape I want to color in next, then choose the color picker tool from the toolbar, and then select the color swatch I want to apply with the color picker tool. I'm going to repeat this process for the rest of the eye. As you are coloring in shapes, you might see areas that would look better if you remove the stroke or outline color completely, like I did with this part of the eye. I'm also going to clean this part of the eye up here just a bit now that I see what it looks like with color. Great, on to the other eye. I forgot to make a swatch for Simba's nose color, so I'll use the color picker tool and take that color straight from the screenshot. And that's how you fill in closed shapes. Let's see what happens if I try to apply fill to my open lines, like in Simba's face. The software tries to do it, but it doesn't know where to begin to end, so it just ends up looking messy. One approach to solving this problem is to select the pencil tool again, choose the Use Fill option in the context toolbar below, and start to draw in the closed shape. When applying color like this, do one shape at a time and don't worry about it being perfect right now. We will clean up the details later. For now, we just want to get in the color and the correct layer order. So I will drag the face color layer below the drawn details layer in the Layer Studio so that the eyes end up on top and the face color below. Now on to the other ear. And to his neck. And lastly, the mouth. Now that we have in the base color and the Layer Studio is organized, let's really get this cleaned up. I'm going to zoom in and use my node tool to try to get my color as accurately lined up with my sketch as possible. To do this, I use the node tool to pull individual nodes down to meet the lines of the sketch. I use the handlebars to make adjustment to the line segment length or to tilt the line for a more seamless fit. I delete extra nodes that are out of place and add in other ones as needed. During this step, I realized I forgot to add color to this part of Simba's ear, so I'm just going to use the same process with the pencil tool to add color and clean it up now. So let's use this as a chance to review. Draw in your base color using the pencil tool. Make sure the Use Fill option is on and try to close the shape. Then adjust your color layers by deleting and adding nodes, pulling nodes to meet the line and close gaps, and using the handlebars to make further adjustment to the line direction and segments. And there we have it, our filled in sketch.